Hello and welcome. In this video we will show you the latest addition to our soil analysis feature on Grassland Tools. To begin, log on to your Grassland Tools account at grasslandtools.ie with your username and password. On the left hand side of the home page you will see a green menu. Scroll down to Soil Analysis as highlighted and click to access the page. The top of the page will display four main headings. Sample data allows you to select between varying samples taken. Soil nutrients enables you to choose between soil pH, phosphorus content and potassium content. At the Download Soil Map heading, you are given the option of downloading your map as a PDF. Please select what map you'd like to download from your phosphorus, pH or potassium and click Download. It will be accompanied by an index ranging from 1 for very low and 4 for sufficient/excess. Below these headings, the results table will display your data clearly for all paddocks sampled. Following down again from here, the Input Data section enables users to manually input data from their soil samples. Simply click Select a paddock, then choose a paddock from the map and enter its survey date, pH and phosphorus and potassium values, then submit. Here you can also put in the index value if you choose to do so. For more videos detailing on what's available on Grasshopper and Grassland Tools, please check our YouTube channel for more.